Alright, this is the finale of the Toyota Forklift. So, we were able to replace the cylinder here. What I had to do though was plasma cut the cylinder off of the bolt because the bolt seized in here. So, new bolt with grease, new cylinder, new pin up here. And as far as back here goes, they had the tank set up so it was flipped around with a different hose. So we replaced it how it should be with the 4-foot hose here. We ordered this piece which was missing, the radiator cover. As you can see, we got a brand new seat here. This is the quote-unquote Toyota seat. But it doesn't have the Toyota logo, so technically it's not the Toyota seat unless they don't do that anymore. We also replaced the latch here. That seizes up a lot. We put in a new cylinder here, so we don't have to manually take the hood on and off anymore. So that all works. The hinges are new, we replaced those because these were broken there. So yeah, we used this all day on Friday and it worked really well. No leaks, nothing like that. I do have to get a new side shifter though. I don't know how badly I need that at this time. I mean, we don't really do that much work, but you can get them pretty cheap, 200, 300, 400 bucks for the whole assembly. This one wasn't bad, it wasn't leaking, so I just left it. I tried to lube up this back pin quite a bit. I spray it every day to get it loose, hopefully pound it out. I already got this loose, so that's not a problem if this starts to leak. What else? All new fluids. Oh, the only other thing, we gotta replace the tire because they flat spotted it, dragging it before I bought it. So I need new tires for sure. But after that, I mean, it's pretty good to go. I don't know what holds this in, if there's a pin or something I'm missing. When I got it, it just came with a screwdriver to hold this in there, so. Yep, that's about it. I kind of tried to lube up the chain as best I could. I'll have to clean it more and then lube it, but it was just rusted and basically bone dry, so did what I could to lube it up. Other than that, that is it. So if you have any questions on this thing, part numbers, prices, I can say that I'm pretty well versed in this whole thing, fixing it and all that good stuff. E-brake works. When we did the drum brakes, we fixed that. So yeah, all good.